Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today you will see how to use the Adobe Photoshop 2022. Here you can see the format of Photoshop. Now I am going to open the new file. Here you can see I just select the format of YouTube thumbnail, but I don't need this one, so I will go for default Photoshop size. Here the Photoshop is open, so first I have to open my file, so I am going to import it. Okay, now I have to open my file. Here you can see I am just clicking on the open and go to desktop where my all files are available. Here I select this file, and now you can see this file is opened. And here what you can do, you can create selection, or you can do selection by this tool like this. Here you can see, or we can do color correction through camera raw filter by adjusting the temperature, or by tint exposure. Like you can see, you can improve the contrast by decreasing it, or improve the highlights, shadows. We can improve the texture of the image by increasing it, or by doing the clarity less, so we don't feel grains in our image. You can increase the saturation from here, then press OK. Here you can see the file is ready. If you want to do anything, like if you want to add some text, you can done that easily by just clicking on this. Here you can add text, photo shoot. You can change text color by selecting this, and you can increase the size from here, and you can also change the text of the font. Like I mostly use this one, is good. Here we use this. I don't think so that color of the text is good, so I'm going for red. Here you can see. And now I am adjusting this, and you can use this as a photo mark in your any image. Here you can see. Okay, here you can add any box behind your text like this. Here you can see I am just putting it behind the Photoshop. Now I fill it with blue color or white, and I'm removing the stroke. Okay, now it's good. Now here you can see, if you want to select only the face, you can select it by select the image like this. That's how you can only change the color of face by going to filter, camera raw. Here you can see, you now improve the color of the face. You can go to detail option. Here improve the sharpening. You can increase the noise reduction, so your grains in the image will be improved. If you want to change colors, then you go for it. Here you can see the colors are changing of the only skin, not hairs or dress. Now I feel okay. Here you can see, if you want to use pen tool, first I press Ctrl D because I need this selection no more. So I think that okay for today. We will discuss further from tomorrow. Thank you.